Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Symbiosis token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Symbiosis stands out as a platform that utilizes cross-chain swaps without a need to perform numerous transactions. It additionally aggregates liquidity from various automated market makers AMM and decentralized exchange DEX across multiple EVM and non-EVM chains. Symbiosis leverages a decentralized relayers network, an off-chain ecosystem of relayer node runners that verify and transfer information across blockchains. Relayers network nodes ensures the smooth and secure data transfer and enhance the platform security and resilience against central points of failure. Relayers network nodes have to stake SIS to participate in consensus and process swap. Symbiosis project institution rating is 3.9. Symbiosis token total supply is 99.48 million and circulating supply is around 96.63 million SIS token. SIS token is listed on Bybit, Gate.io, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.